Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on your Chevy Silverado. First, if your Stabilitrak light is on, try a quick reset. Park your truck safely and turn off the engine completely. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to allow all onboard computers to shut down. Then, restart your vehicle and observe if the warning light remains off. This simple step can often clear minor glitches in the system. If the light persists, it's time for a deeper look. One of the most frequent culprits is a faulty wheel speed sensor, with 4 located on your truck. Issues with your engine, such as misfires or inconsistent RPMs, can also trigger the Stabilitrak warning as a safety measure. The best next step is to connect an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port to read any stored trouble codes, which will pinpoint the exact problem. With potential codes in hand, you can now inspect specific components. Visually check each of your 4 wheel speed sensors and their wiring for any signs of damage or loose connections. The steering angle sensor, located near the steering column, is another critical component. Ensure it's functioning correctly and calibrated. Also, don't forget to check the brake pedal switch and the Stabilitrak system's fuses, typically found in the underhood fuse box, for any electrical issues. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, consider deeper problems. Address any engine performance issues, like worn spark plugs or a failing fuel pump, as these can indirectly affect Stabilitrak. Always ensure your truck's battery is in good condition and that all ground connections are clean and secure. For persistent or complex problems, such as a faulty electronic brake control module or a steering angle sensor that requires recalibration, it's best to consult a certified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.